Hello everybody, this time another video about the stuff definitely which one needs every workshop, and in this case we have something special from the Magic Motorsport. So let's get it unboxing. So after packing all stuff out, look, we have some pretty nice stickers. Yes, we need to glue them somewhere on, but we need to get this thing running. We have something in here, so definitely need to do with this something. We have a lot of screws and stuff like that, but the main thing we have a magic charger. Yes, really, it's have to be magic. Hope so. This is gonna do a pretty good power. And yeah, and cables, I like them. These ones look very carefully made and looks very quality actually. I hope they will do the job good and keep us power on all the time. It looks like welding job probably. You will ask how we're getting on. Yes, keep going. We have plenty of bolts and nuts. There is nothing about electronics. That's the place where all that stuff gonna hold on. These I reckon was the place where the cable's gonna fit. These some bolts with this special code on. Yes, definitely. Because that thing cost a fucking grands. But I will definitely hope that one gonna do the thing. Yeah, keep carry on. As long as I have a master who gonna do it. Alright, now everything looks ready. The magic is on. We are ready to start it. The first run. We see how it's gonna go, how it's gonna look like. I would say just perfect. It's called the Magic. If somebody interested, Magic Motorsport homepage. There you can find plenty of stuff and the summer sale and stuff like that. But now we need to glue these things on. Okay, after all, the system is ready to go. We are all plugged in. All the glue sticks definitely on. And now we just need to click select button. PB charge 12 volts, normal 60 amps. So now I would say we need to plug these things on and see how it goes. Now we did plug in a magic charger. It's charging the system automatically, so we have to pretty wait till this thing gonna be charged fully up. And when we connected with the diagnostic system to this electronic control unit, which one is installed right here, we can see this is only fault control module not programmed. So now we need to do an online programming of this electronic control unit.